Hi there, this is a quick demonstration about how to use our tool Canopy3. So if you come to app.canopy3.com, you'll come to the login page where you can use your username and your password to log in. When you log in, you'll get a little dashboard of the most popular ingredients from the most recent month. The meat and potatoes are in the database. So we took over 150,000 supplement labels. We pulled the ingredients off of those labels and had a database of about 85,000 ingredients. A lot of those were synonyms and similar terms for the same ingredient. So we organized all that data into a database of about 5,000 ingredients, which is what you have here in the database. Every month, we're crawling the internet for data points on these ingredient terms to identify when trends are forming in the marketplace. So you can sort by the different categories of supplement ingredients. So if you want to look at vitamins, or you want to look at botanicals, or you want to look at enzymes, you can narrow it down with a category selection, or you can sort by the different types of data. So reach, engagement, purchase, trend score. So if we come to trend score or we go to purchase, what these different data points are. So with reach, we're looking at how many times this term was seen across social media in the previous month. So the term sprout or its synonyms had 14.4 million eyeballs on it last month. With engagement, we're looking at how many people saw that term and then went and searched for it on the internet, whether it's popular search engines like Google or Bing. And then from there, how much activity was happening on e-commerce, how many people went on and started looking for it and bought it on popular e-commerce platforms. So it gives you kind of that consumer journey, visibility on the consumer journey the ingredient trend is taking. We then aggregate this data and use linear regression to kind of anticipate, of all of these ingredients, which ones are the most popular from the previous month, which one has seen a big increase in reach that's led to engagement, that's led to purchasing, and has become most popular in the data set. So you can sort by the different types. Right now we're at the bottom of the funnel with purchase. And from here, there's a few things. One, we've got a little summary about the conversations taking place, so you can get a sense of the tone. So sometimes things will become popular for not such good reasons, right? People are talking negatively about it. And this will give you an indication of the tone and how people are discussing it, what they're discussing about. We also have this little icon here. If you click on this, it'll bring you to the most popular video from the previous month on the topic, so you can further see how it's being discussed and what people are talking about it. If you click into one of these terms, so let's look at trend score. This is a cool ingredient here. What you'll see here are a little bit more detail, and you'll see the history of the term. So you can also filter this out, so we can look at just the trend score, we can look at just the reach, we can look at just the engagement. If you click on these, you can see kind of the previous history of the term. And if I go back to the database, there's a really nice example here of one with huckleberry. So if I select these, it'll remove it from the chart. So all that's left here is a trend score. So you can see this one is on a nice trend line. It's slowly been building momentum over the last few months. And as you drag it around, you can see the different points in the history. Here you'll get a little bit more insight onto what term specifically is the most popular of the synonyms being used. And again, there's a little summary of the conversation. It'll also show you similar search or similar terms in the ingredients where you can see similar data available. We also have this library available here. This just gives you more visibility on the full database, all the different terms in the database, and what the synonyms are. The way everything has been organized is visible in here as well. So those are the core functions available currently with Canopy 3. The rest of these are in various stages of development. Pretty simple, easy to use, but it gives you a really cool, interesting insight onto how people are talking about ingredients and what the next possible popular ingredient could be, what the next trend could be. You can find it here in Canopy 3. Hope you enjoy.